Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, this is the second juz. It is Sayaqool. We are memorizing Juz name and Surah name. This is Surah Baqarah. It was our first juz, and it also continued in the second juz. And in the end of the Sayaqool para, there are 252 ayat, and it is continued in the third juz also. It is the longest surah of the Quran. It has 286 ayat. See, this is the second juz. I have written this. Friends, you also write this in your notebook. Para number 2. Sayaqool. Surah Al-Baqarah means the cow. It was revealed in Medina. It is the largest surah of the Quran. Okay, friends, tomorrow I will come with the third juz, Tilka Rasul. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.